Hey guys, we're back. I'm gonna go back to this whole thing about making these awesome tetrahedrons or tetrahedrons out of a circle, which we've already practiced. So, like as we know before, we need the plate, the pencil, the scissors, the tape, right? And we trace the thing. You guys remember how to do that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna build these two basically tetrahedrons that are unfolded now, and we're going to put them together and find a way to make them into this cool thing, which is an octahedron, which means it has 8 sides. So it's two tetrahedrons folded, or kind of those two that I just showed you put together. So I'm going to take them apart now and show you what they look like. So these two I just basically slid together. And one of the cool things about this is, and I want to just show you, since you already know how to make this, when I did this one, I folded it so that so it kind of holds itself in place. You see how I folded it? So after I folded, I made sure that the curves work in such a way that they kind of hold each other down, right? And that's important because then what I did is when I got this green one here, same thing. It's all exactly the same. I taped it in the middle, but then I made a cut right there. I made a cut on that one. I made a cut on this one, a single cut right there, and a cut right here. And what that allows me to do is slide these flaps into the other one, and what they do is it fits together then without any tape. Now I'll have to tape it to hold it in the end, but as I start putting these together, this side folds in just like that. I don't know if you can see that, but those two are now locked together, right? And then, well, kind of locked together, not perfectly locked together, but those two are locked together. And then what I do is I go to the next side and I slide this in, right? And now most of it is locked together. And then I go to the third side, and I'm going to try to get it so you can see it. I slide this in. I'm almost there. And what happens is it's this perfect, well, not perfect, but it's this really cool shape or octahedron that kind of holds itself together. So all we need is a little tape on the outside, and we have this beautiful octahedron. Now, octahedron means basically that you have two tetrahedrons stacked on top of each other. As you can see, there are 8 faces to this. It'd be interesting to figure out how many edges there are and how many vertexes there are. But this is just another way to kind of build off of what we already started with. So we will tape this thing together, and you'll have an octahedron. And then we're going to go really big, and we're going to make an icosahedron, which is 20 sides. So that takes 5 of these together. So I'm going to show you how to make that next.